When it comes to photos, for me, it's all about the sharing. But it's not always obvious in some of our favourite photo apps how to actually share. So let me share my wise words for sharing on Amazon Photos. If you are an Amazon Prime member, you get unlimited photo storage. Yes, I know, amazing. But how do you actually share your photos? Well, let me show you your options. And stick around because I'll share my sneaky way for you to get all your device photos into one Amazon account. Sharing photos with links. One of the most straightforward ways to share your photos is by creating a link to your photos, but you have to do it online. So open up Amazon Photos and navigate to the photo or album you want to share. Select what you want to share and tap the share icon, a little box with an arrow at the top of the menu, and select Get Shared Link. Amazon Photos will then generate a link for your chosen photos or album. Once you have the link, you can copy it and you can share it with others via messaging apps, an email or social media, and the recipients can then access your photos directly using the link. Sharing photos with Family Vault. Family Vault allows you to share photos with up to 5 family members. If you haven't already, go to Amazon Photos and set up Family Vault in the settings by inviting people to join your vault. You can add up to 5 family members to your Family Vault by sending them invitations. They do need to have an Amazon account to join. You can also rename your vault to whatever you want. Once Family Vault is set up, you can add photos and albums to the vault. Your family members will have access to the shared content and they can also add their photos to the vault as well. In settings, you can also have it that all of your uploaded images are added to the Family Vault without you doing anything in the personal settings. So a super easy way to share all your photos. Sharing with account access. Okay, so this one does mean you need to trust who you give access to, but it's great for getting all of your photos across multiple people's devices into one place simply. All you need to do is to sign into the same Amazon account on your different devices. Set up auto backup in the settings area in the upload area of settings, and then all your photos from each device will go into one account. So for easily sharing all your photos with each other, this is great. And just like that, you've learned how to share your memories using Amazon Photos. Whether you choose to create links, use Family Vault, or have everything loading up into one account, Amazon makes it easy to share with others. But is Amazon Photos the right storage for you? Not sure? Then check out this other video here on my walkthrough of some of your cloud photo storage options. If you enjoyed this video, then go ahead with a like, share, and subscribe. Have fun rediscovering your memories. I'll see you in my next video.